Hello guys, it's your boy Olushola David and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can receive international payment using your TransferWise account. Okay, let's say you are a freelancer or you are into affiliate marketing or you have friends abroad that want to send money to you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can use your TransferWise account to receive this payment. Okay, now before any of this can be successful, okay, what you first need to have is to create a TransferWise account for yourself. Okay, so if you are yet to have a TransferWise account, I've created a video on how you can do just that. Okay, I'm going to add the video at the description of the video. I'm also going to add the link to create an account for yourself at the description of the video. So when you are done watching this video, you can as well go to the description to check out the links and watch the video to create an account for yourself. Now before we get started, let me quickly give us a brief understanding on what TransferWise is all about. Recently they changed from TransferWise to Wise. Okay, and TransferWise, it's a payment platform that lets you create an international bank account. Okay, it allows you to send money abroad and also receive money from abroad. Okay, so if you have friends and family that want to send money to you, irrespective of the location, you can create as many as possible account and use this account to receive the international payment you want to receive. Okay, you can also send money from anywhere in the world to different currency using one single TransferWise account. Okay, so if you want to receive payment, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that inside your TransferWise account. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing you have to do once you've created your account is to log into your account, and I'm going to show you how you can proceed by getting your international bank account, sending them to the payee that want to send you the money. Okay, so in my own case, what I simply need to do now is log into my account and show you how this is done. All right, so I'm going to log in now and show you exactly how you can do this. All right, so um I'm inside my account now, and this is how it's going to look like when you log into your account. Okay, so let's say the payment you want to receive, it's a US dollar. All you simply need to do is come over to the balances here, then choose the currency you want to receive payment with. Okay, if you are receiving a US dollar payment, okay, what you simply need to do is click the US dollar right here. And if you want to receive an Australian dollar, okay, what you simply need to do is click on it here. Then British pound sterling, all you simply need to do is click any of it here. Okay, and if you don't have this account, all you simply need to do is come over here, then click on open a balance. Okay, so you can have as many balance you want to have inside your TransferWise account. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be assuming we want to receive a US dollar payment. Okay, so if you are a freelancer and you want to send your account details to your client to make payments to you, all you simply need to do is come to the balances here, then click on US dollar, then come here, then click on this drop down icon here, then you'll be able to find your account balance. Okay, so this is the account holder name, which is the name of your account. Now this is the routing number, which you're also going to be sending alongside the account number, and this is the account number, then account type checking. Now for the address, all you simply need to do is copy everything here. So this is what you're going to be sending to the payee that is going to make the payment for you. Okay, so once you send this to them, you're able to receive the money. As you can see, payments take 2 to 3 working days. Okay, and there is a 7.5 USD fee to receive wire transfer. Okay, so this is basically everything you need to receive payment, irrespective of the location they are sending the money from. Okay, so if it's Australian dollar you want to receive, all you simply need to do is click on it, then get your bank details as well. Okay, so this is your account holder name, then the code, then the account number, and the address. All right guys, so this is basically how you can use TransferWise to receive payment from anywhere in the world, irrespective of where you are. If you are into affiliate marketing, if you are into e-commerce, if you are into freelancing, and any other online business that require you receiving international payment, okay, you need to set up a TransferWise account and create different accounts in different different currency and use this account to receive your payment. All right, and it's actually free to set up. Okay, so if you are yet to create an account, I've added a link at the description of the video. Just go to the description of the video, click the link and create your account. And if this is your first time visiting the channel, please like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.